Today we are discussing on topic Introduction of Infrared Spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy is one of the most widely used tools for the detection of functional groups in pure compounds. The spectrum is obtained in minutes using a few milligrams of compound which can also be recovered. Almost any compounds having covalent bonds, whether organic or inorganic, absorbs various frequencies of electromagnetic radiation in the infrared region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Infrared region constitute three parts: the near infrared, the middle infrared and the far infrared. The region 4000 to 650 cm inverse is the most readily examined region, which covers the absorption due to the fundamental vibrations of all the common functional groups of organic compounds. The region of the infrared spectrum from 4000 to 1500 cm inverse exhibit absorption bands assignable to the number of functional groups and is called functional group region. The region from 1500 to 500 cm inverse is called the fingerprint region, which is normally scan up to 600 cm inverse. Many of the vibrational modes in the fingerprint region depend on the complex vibration involving the entire molecule. It is impossible for any two different compounds except enantiomers to have precisely the same infrared spectrum, because the pattern of the absorption in this region are unique to any particular compound, just as a person's fingerprints are unique. Many organic compounds absorb light in the visible and ultraviolet region of the electromagnetic spectrum. Electrons are excited from lower energy molecular orbital to higher one. Organic compound, when absorb electromagnetic energy in the infrared region of the spectrum, infrared radiation does not have sufficient energy to cause the excitation of the electron. However, it causes groups or group of atoms of organic compounds to vibrate faster about the covalent bonds which connect them. The vibrations are quantized, and as they occur, the compound absorbs infrared energy in particular region of the spectrum. The position of an infrared absorption band is specified in frequency unit by its wave number measured in reciprocal centimeters, or by wavelength measured in micrometers. In an infrared spectrophotometer, infrared radiation of successively increasing wavelength is passed through the sample of the compound and the percentage transmittance measured. An infrared spectrum is the graph of percentage transmittance versus either increasing wavelength or decreasing frequency. 100% transmittance means no absorption, and if all the radiation is absorbed, the transmittance is 0%. Each dip in a spectrum, called a band or peak, represent absorption of infrared radiation at that frequency by the sample. These are some references. Thank you for watching.